Hey, welcome back to the channel, and for those who are new, my name is Janice, and today we're going to be talking about how being a digital creator changed my life for better and for worse. And if you know Chris, how he is actually a digital creator himself, and I'm really inspired by his work. I supported him recently by purchasing his drop, and honestly, this is just perfect and it fits really well with what I'm doing right now. Let's get started. So first things first, becoming a better thinker and how it advances and grow in every aspect of your life. So let's talk about this for a second here. So being a creator forces you to articulate your thoughts in a way your audience understands them and resonates with them. Best part of it is this is a really valuable skill and it's definitely transferable in every aspect of life. I myself is still a work in progress. Some days I don't feel like being in front of the camera, but each time I do it, I remind myself why I started this in the first place. So the takeaway from this is writing helps you become a better thinker. Ever since I started being a digital creator, I started to write a lot more, and it keeps my brain active and creative. As a young age, I hate school. I would dread doing homework, and if it's something to do with essay, I would just run the other direction. Being in school as a kid was definitely a struggle for me. As I got older, I realized the importance of writing and how it helps in every aspect of my life. The second takeaway I would say is how becoming valuable to others. Being a digital creator, you educate your audience in a way where they can understand you and also gain some sort of knowledge. Sometimes it's the little things. The boundary of leisure and work is gone. The moment I made the decision to step into the freelance world, I knew it would be a challenge for me. But I simply love what I'm doing and not seeing it as work. Not gonna lie, some days are draining and it's hard to take a day off. It's an ongoing battle between productivity and sticking to the essentials. Some days I thrive and some days I don't, but that's part of life, right? Lately, ever since the travel, I honestly has been falling back in my schedule. So I started this new habit tracking system that allows me to tick as many boxes as I can as possible. Even though I don't see a direct impact on a day-to-day basis, but just being able to see how much I've accomplished over time. The takeaway in this is schedule time to relax. I often find myself pausing what I'm doing in between, and at the end, I don't really relax. Another one would be, it can be a lonely road. And to stay sane and better for my mental health, I have to look for those who are in a similar position or surrounding whenever it's possible. I would love to connect with anyone who is going through a similar process. It does not need to be a digital creator platform, and this can be applied in any form of business as well. The second takeaway is give back. Whether it be through YouTube platform or Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or TikTok even now, it helps me with the feeling of loneliness along the way. There can be a feeling of it not going anywhere. I think now that I've been creating for some time now, I don't think I can stop creating. And being completely honest, there are times where I feel fed up with this way of living. But that's the beauty of life. Your own experience is worth everything. It's both a blessing and a curse. The main piece of advice I would say from now being on this journey is just stick to the learning part. And this really applies to anyone with whatever they're doing, whether it be starting out being a digital creator like me, or learning how to cook for the first time, riding a bike even. Just focus on the learning part. So here are my final words. I always felt that I wouldn't be working for a company my whole life. I just didn't know what to do. Laying the foundations now, day in and day out, will set me up for a successful future. Believe and investing in the process and people around me, so one day I can look back and say I've done it. I hope that you'll find your place in life and find this video helpful to you. And you know someone who's struggling through the creative train, feel free to share this video. Also, feel free to connect with me. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.